Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. So we are on the iPhone 12 mini right now, shooting a 4K 60 frame per second video in my studio with my blue lighting on. That's why all the blue. Anyways, I wanted to do a camera test, see how this thing turns out. From looking at the picture on the screen, I can't even see any grainy effect or anything. I'll see how it actually looks when I view it on my computer, but I'm definitely liking how this thing is. Now, 4K 60 frame per second, that's pretty high end for the front camera on an iPhone. Very impressive so far. And I'm actually really liking this iPhone quite a lot, so do stay tuned. There will be a review probably in the next couple days. I just have a little bit more testing that I want to get done with it. And then I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the phone and tell you what I actually think of the iPhone 12 mini. But so far, definitely liking it. So, just thank you for watching and checking out this clip. Now, I do realize that I did compress the video down to 720p. But hey, I mean, these files get massively huge on 4K, but it should turn out just as good as far as being able to view it at 720p on YouTube. And so we'll see how that goes. But let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking this is really cool. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.